TikTok to Embark 1119. Thank you very much for subscribing TikTok. As you know, Candina Group has a database of 177,000 seafarers. We hope to grow with you towards new barriers of 200,000, 300,000. Why? Because in Candina Group, the CEO directly, transparently talks to you about the market, the dollar, the euro, the LNG, the gas, the robots, opportunities, local flags, transparency, equality, and so many features that all of my competitors do not talk and will be talking if we have very good health, you and me. So thank you very much indeed for applying Crew Inspector, like and subscribe, because we have many possibilities. European flags, Europe 2,850 AB, Roro, Italian flag on top, Mediterranean trade, 7,000 euros second engineer, 4,800 third engineer, ETO 5,000 euros, many more Cyprus flag, ROPAX ships, Spain trade, many have retired and they are looking for a mini job. Northern Europe, Southern Europe, they thought about the dream of retirement. No, that's a lie, because they're printing money. But anyway, also we have investment opportunities. And anyway, this video is just for you, to thank you, seafarer, for your subscription, and that we hope we expand much more. Thank you. Bye.